Hey everyone, welcome back to the laboratory. It's Chef Mark, and today we're talking about onions, and specifically the problem of what do you do when you need just a few slices of onion and you got a bunch left over. What's the best way to preserve that in the refrigerator? I got some tips and tricks. All right, let's scooch in a little closer here so we can take a look. And this video was prompted by, well, the holidays. Family was in town, everybody's helping in the kitchen and cooking, and I find a onion that is chopped in the wrong direction, unpeeled, jammed in a Ziploc bag, and I thought, not in my house. We're gonna fix this, and I'm gonna share that information with you right now. Working with an onion, and I only need a couple of slices. Let me show you how to get the most out of this. This is the root end. I like to leave that on while I'm cutting off the non-root end, the pointy bit. And don't just shave, go ahead and take a little bit off. But then I'm going to cut the onion in half through, not the equator, through the meridian. I almost never cut an onion in half through the equator. I can't really think of a reason to do so, other than maybe putting on a meat slicer and chopping slicing an onion for onion rings, but I don't know, how often do I do that? Not as often as I'd like. Love onion rings, delicious, yum yum yum. And when I'm peeling an onion, I oftentimes will take the first layer off with it as well. This first layer is oftentimes leathery and not that nice to eat. You can see how it's just kind of worn out and leathery there. We don't want that in our food. Okay, repeat with the other side. Two halves are now peeled. I might shave off the root end now, and when I say shave, I just take the smallest amount off. Beautiful. Okay, I'm kind of making a mess here, but that's all right. Now, I have options. Let's say I need some sliced onion for a sauteed dish. I can run my knife lengthwise. Now I have some sliced onion, maybe for an omelet. Or I'm doing sandwich slices. Well, I like to run my sandwich slices the opposite direction. Okay, so now I have nice slices for sandwich or salad. And I like to cut my sandwich slices on my onions. I always like to have the onion cut up a little bit more so that it slides when you go to eat it. You're not pulling out a giant piece of onion out of your sandwich. Now if I need some diced onion, I can take a small amount. I can dice it like so. Again, maybe just cooking for one person, small amount. And then the rest of the onion now goes in Ziploc bag, like so. Okay. And this goes into our vegetable crisper. Now, next thing I need some onion. I reach into the refrigerator, pull this out, cut whatever shape I need, and I find that I can use the whole onion end to end, and I don't end up with a bunch of like random onion pieces that are hard to cut. This is a great way for doing smaller amounts of onion without having a giant mess in your fridge. And like any new process, it might take a little bit of practice to remember all the steps, but I think it's very simple. Let's review. Cut off the non-root end. Cut it in half through the meridian, never the equator. Shave off the root end. Peel both the skin and the first layer. Get yourself a Ziploc bag, and now you have an onion that will be preserved in the refrigerator. How long? Oh gosh, I've had onions kicking around in the refrigerator for 2 or even 3 weeks in a Ziploc bag. Sometimes the outside layer gets a little less wholesome. I just peel it off, pitch it, and keep going. Make sure you like it, subscribe. This is Chef Mark from the laboratory. Thanks for joining me.